Memorial Day events are back in the South Lake Minnetonka area. Please join us as we honor those who have died in service to our nation. Check out our Facebook page to see a listing of the day's events, including our Memorial Day Parade in downtown Excelsior. Area veterans are encouraged to take part, and family and friends of veterans are invited to honor them in the parade. There will be a graveside ceremony at Oak Hill Cemetery following the parade. Please join us this Memorial Day as we remember and honor our veterans.